So hello guys, welcome to this channel. On this video we're gonna learn Photoshop from basics. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So when you open Photoshop, so you'll see a giraffe in the mode to eat moon. There are two moon there. Okay. You want to eat the moon's son or daughter. So this is the interface you're gonna see Photoshop. So we'll start as we starting from the basics. So firstly we create a composition or a artwork. Sorry, not an artwork, a canvas. Firstly click on the new file. Okay, so don't worry, we'll teach you from basics why we are doing this, what the concept behind this, everything. Okay, so when you click on new file, you will see most of the options. Like here you can see new document panel, and here you can see saved photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile iPhone is there. You can see iPhone, not a real iPhone but just a PPI of 72. Okay, and films and video. These are the camera resolution. Okay, so I'll just go to recent and I go to 1920 or 1080. This is the vertical or horizontal. You can choose anyone. Ratio, ठीक है, the resolution 300. We'll discuss what the resolution is, what the pixels is in the upcoming videos. Okay, so just click on create. It's created. Done for this video. Bye bye. Okay, not easily bye bye. Just stay. Okay. So if first you open the Photoshop, you will see this. If you open a camera, and the first rule of Photoshop is to do mess up with things.
We always mess up.
Mess up with things. So we'll start following the first rule, that is messing up. Mess up, mess up, mess up, mess up. You will, if you are wondering how to mess up, just right click on your mouse button and drag and mess up. Drag and mess up, and mess up, drag and mess up, and drag and mess up. Drag. This is the first rule about it when you open anything. And the second one is close everything.
Just do it.
Close, you close, this one close, 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 and this pattern close. Colors, where you want close, close. Then if you want to bring back all of the thing, then just go to Windows and here you see the option of workspace. So click on workspace and just click on reset essentials.
Boom, boom, boom.
Everything is back. Boom. It's just an introduction video that we are starting in series of learning Photoshop from basics to experienced, or in the advanced section we'll learn how to make movies posters, web designing, typography, photo manipulation, all of the things. Yes, all of the things we'll learn in this series only. So stay tuned for the next video. Till then, stay creative.